Hi, this is section 11.7, objective 2. Rather than doing the one that's in the sheet, I'm going to just go ahead and do one from the homework. This is number 8 from the homework. I have the equation written over here, so I have it written right here so you can kind of see it from the same thing on the screen there. The first thing I want to do is I want to find the vertex. So let me just see if I can make this so you can see it better. It's kind of hard to see both these at the same time. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so first thing I want to do is find the vertex by finding negative b over 2a and then f of that. I will put a copy of this document on Canvas, by the way. So I want to identify a, b, and c. So the vertex, the x-coordinate is negative b over 2a. So it's the negative of negative 4. That's a 4 over 2 times a. That comes up to be negative 4 over 4, which is negative 1. Okay, then I'm going to plug that into the expression, the equation here, to find the other value of the vertex. So again, I found this one already. Now I want to find this. So I'm going to plug in negative 1 into this equation. So I get negative 2 times negative 1 squared minus 4 times negative 1 minus 8. And if you go ahead and simplify that, you end up getting negative 6. So my vertex is negative 1, negative 6. Okay, I'm going to come to graphing that in a minute here. Okay, a couple other bits of information is we know our a is negative 2, so that means that it does open down. I put opens up, but it actually opens down because it's negative. And it's narrower. So let me show you that. Let me just pause and show you what that is in the handout. Okay, so just to review, this is from 11.6, Objective 3. They talk about the vertex, if it opens up or if it opens down. In our case, a was negative 2, so it opens down. And then whether it's wider or where it's narrower. So going back to this one, a is negative, so it opens down. And because the absolute value of negative 2 is greater than 1, it should be narrower than the basic function. Okay. It's kind of hard to show you all this. So let me kind of go down here now. Now I just want to pick some points. Sorry, this is hard to see, but this is my vertex right there. So what I usually do is I pick points, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right of the vertex. So I just go a couple units down from negative 1 and a couple units up. And what I did was for each of these, for the first row, I actually worked them out. I plugged in negative 3 for x, and you can actually see that worked out. Again, you'll have a copy of this if you can't see the whole thing right now, which you can't. It ends up being negative 14. If I plug in negative 2 for x, I get negative 8. This is my vertex, and these are my other points. Okay, so knowing this information, I am going to go ahead and graph this on the graph paper over here to the right. Okay. So starting with my vertex, I'm going to click on this enlarge the graph, and I'm going to pick the vertex first. Let me go ahead and click this first. Okay. Now I want to use this parabola tool. And I want to start the vertex. So the vertex over here was negative 1, negative 6. Oops, there we go. Oh, there. Oh, this mouse is really picky. Okay, negative 1, negative 6. So there's the bottom there. And then I want to pick some other points. So what I want to do is I want to look at one of these other points. So let's say negative 2, negative 8. Okay, so actually, let me just do one of these. This might be easier. 0 and negative 8 might be the easiest one. So 0, negative 8 is going down. Would be like right there. And if you can, I don't know if you can look at the top of the sheet there, up in the yellow, it actually shows me the point. Okay, so that gives me enough points. You could do a couple points if you like, but that tells me enough. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then I'll go ahead and check it while I'm at it, just to make sure it's right. And it's correct. Okay, so again, that was number 8 from 11.7. It's from the last objective. I will share this part on Canvas, this whole hard copy, so you have it.